Hi friend, today we'll write the program to find matrix arithmetic operation in which we perform adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing and module find out. First we write the class name, then main method, then write the list of matrix, int x is equal to, it's a matrix in the format of 2 degree like 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 4, 6, 7 and int y is equal to 6, 7, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Then int sum is equal to new int is 2 degree matrix, then print that value of matrix in the format of add. First we have to add, then subtract, then multiply, then divide, then module. Then after that we use for loop for define the range of matrix of array. X dot length range is from int I is equal to 0, I less than x dot length, and also in the j again use for loop for inner loop. I is outer loop and j is inner loop. Where j is range of j is int j is equal to 0 and j less than x at 0th index. Then print that all things like system.out.println. First we print add module d t, then x I j plus y I j in the form of format. We use here add, then subtract, then multiply, then module, then divide. First we use add, then subtract, then multiply, then divide, and then module. In the last we have to print that value. Again we have to print that value. Here I is denoted in outer loop and j is denoted inner loop, for loop. That's it. Then save the program and run the program. Add is 90, 60, subtract is minus 44, multiply is divisible is 0, 23. That's it.